Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn what the ketogenic way of eating is, what benefits it will give you, what challenges you may face, and what foods to eat and avoid. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Would you like to know exactly what you should eat to lose weight without giving up your favorite food or starving yourself? And you make sure that the keto diet is right for you or not, so click on the link in the description and consult our support to get a customized plan for your keto diet. And get the deliciously easy keto recipes book as a gift. And now let's see the rest of the video. What is ketosis? Ketosis is a process that occurs when your body uses fat as its main fuel source. Normally, your body uses blood sugar as its key energy source. You typically get glucose in your diet by eating carbohydrates such as starches and sugars. Your body breaks the carbohydrates down into glucose and then uses the glucose as fuel. Your liver stores the rest and releases it as needed. When your carb intake is very low, these glucose stores drain down. Since your body doesn't have enough carbs to burn for energy, it burns fat instead. As your body breaks down fat, it produces a compound called ketones. The ketones, or ketone bodies, become your body and brain's main source of energy. The fat your body uses to create ketones may come from your diet, or it may come from your body's fat stores. Your liver produces a small amount of ketones on its own. But when your glucose level decreases, your insulin level decreases. This causes your liver to ramp up the production of ketones to ensure it can provide enough energy for your brain. Therefore, your blood has high levels of ketones during ketosis. What is the ketosis diet? The ketogenic or keto diet changes the way your body uses food. Typically, carbohydrates in your diet provide most of the fuel your body needs. The keto diet reduces the number of carbs you eat and teaches your body to burn fat for fuel instead. The keto diet is high in fat, moderate in protein and low in carbohydrates. The standard keto diet consists of 70% to 80% fats, 10% to 20% proteins, and 5% to 10% carbohydrates. Many nutrient-rich foods contain high amounts of carbohydrates. This includes whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Carbs from all sources are restricted on the keto diet. So you'll have to cut out all bread, cereal, and other grains and make serious cuts to your fruit and vegetable intake. The types of foods that provide fat for the keto diet include meats and fish, eggs, nuts and seeds, butter and cream, cheese, oils such as olive oil and canola oil. How many carbs do I need for ketosis? You'll need to stay under 50 grams of carbohydrates per day to enter and stay in ketosis. That's about 3 slices of bread, 2 bananas, or 1 cup of pasta. How long does it take to get into ketosis? If you eat between 20 and 50 grams of carbohydrates each day, it will usually take you 2 to 4 days to enter ketosis. However, the time it takes to enter this state varies based on several factors. It may take you a week or longer to get into ketosis. Factors that may influence how long it takes you to achieve this state include your age, carbohydrate, fat and protein intake, physical activity level, metabolism, sleep health, stress level. If you eat a high-carb diet before starting a keto diet, it may take you longer to reach ketosis than someone who consumes a low-carb diet. That's because your body needs to exhaust its glucose stores first. You may be able to get into ketosis faster with intermittent fasting. The most common method of intermittent fasting involves eating all of your food within 8 hours. Then, you fast for the remaining 16 hours of a 24-hour period. What are the benefits of ketosis? Research has shown that ketosis may have several health benefits. One of the biggest benefits of ketosis may be weight loss. The process can help you feel less hungry, which may lead to eating less food. It can help you lose belly fat while maintaining a lean mass. Other possible benefits of ketosis include treating and managing diseases such as epilepsy. Healthcare providers often put children with epilepsy on the keto diet to reduce or even prevent seizures by altering the excitability part of their brain. Other neurologic conditions. Research has shown the keto diet may help improve neurological conditions such as Alzheimer's disease, autism, and brain cancers such as glioblastoma. Type 2 diabetes. The keto diet can help people with type 2 diabetes lose weight and manage their blood sugar levels. Heart disease. The keto diet may lower your risk of developing cardiovascular disease by lowering your blood pressure, improving your HDL cholesterol levels, and lowering your triglycerides. Metabolic syndrome. The keto diet may reduce your risk of developing metabolic syndrome, which is associated with your risk of heart disease. Ketosis has also been shown to increase your focus and energy. The keto diet delivers your body's energy needs in a way that reduces inflammation. Research suggests your brain works more efficiently on ketones than on glucose. What are the side effects of ketosis? The keto diet has many benefits, but it may come with some side effects. One of the signs of ketosis may include keto flu, which includes symptoms such as upset stomach, headache, and fatigue. Other symptoms of ketosis may include bad breath, constipation, insomnia, dehydration, low bone density, osteopenia, and bone fractures, high cholesterol, hyperlipidemia, kidney stones. What's the difference between ketosis and diabetes-related ketoacidosis? Ketosis and diabetes-related ketoacidosis are two very different things. During ketosis, you have ketones in your blood but not enough to turn your blood acidic. It usually happens if you're fasting or following a low-carbohydrate diet. Ketosis isn't harmful. DKA is a condition that affects people with diabetes and people with undiagnosed diabetes. It happens when your blood turns acidic because it has too many ketones due to a lack of insulin. Diabetes-related ketoacidosis is life-threatening and requires immediate medical attention. Ketosis is a metabolic state that occurs when your body burns fat for energy instead of glucose. The keto diet has many possible benefits. These include potential weight loss, increased energy, and treating chronic illness. However, the diet can be difficult to follow and can produce side effects including keto breath and constipation. If you're interested in the health benefits of ketosis, ask your provider if the diet may be right for you. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your Custom Keto Diet today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.